Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving on Constant Spring Road, and we are at the intersection with the tax office and Immaculate Conception High School. So if we turn left here, we would go into the Immaculate Conception High School, and if we turn right, we go into the tax office, the Constant Spring tax office. The official name is the St. Andrew Revenue Center, but everybody just calls it the Constant Spring tax office. And if we go straight, we stay on Constant Spring Road. Now you see that motorbike did not even stop, just went right through the red lights. That's the kind of indiscipline that is plaguing the Jamaican roads. That motorbike doesn't even have on a helmet, and he just goes right through the red light. Okay, on the left is the True Value Town Center, the Super Value Town Center. And that's a very nice mall, very popular mall. Has a supermarket, a lot of food stores, built in a very populated area, so it's going to do well. Okay, at this intersection now, if we turn left, we go onto Hillman Road, and that takes us back to the Charlie Mount Gully, where you can go into Allardyce or Shortwood. We are going to go straight and stay on Constant Spring Road. Now, as you can see, Constant Spring Road was recently renovated. It's now a very nice dual carriageway, has the concrete barricades to control the traffic so that persons don't turn where they're not supposed to turn. Has street lights, the road has the white lines. Very nice road, good signage. Government did an excellent job in renovating this road. And this is a very busy road, so it has helped a great deal since it has helped a great deal with the flow of traffic since it has been renovated. And you see that car, at least they had the courtesy to pull to the side of the road. But that's just how persons drive in Jamaica. Stop anywhere, pull off the road, half the car in the road. Okay, at the stoplight straight ahead now, this is the area they call Mary Brown's Corner. You turn right here and you go on to Mannings Hill Road, and that takes you back to the Havendale area and the Roehampton area, as well as the Cassava Peace area, as well as the Mannings Hill area. I'm not sure why they call this area Mary Brown's Corner, but if anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. Okay, on the left, you're going to see some high-rise buildings. That's the Oakland apartments. So if we turn left at this intersection, we go into the Oakland's apartments. If we turn right, we go on to West Avenue. That will take us on to Washington Boulevard. Okay, at this intersection, if we turn left, we go onto Shortwood Road. If we turn right, we go onto Central Avenue. And if we turn left onto Shortwood Road, that will take us to the Grand Span area. If we turn right, Central Avenue will take us, eventually lead us back out to Washington Boulevard. Okay, at this intersection, we turn right, we go onto Dunrobin Avenue. And Dunrobin Avenue will take us onto Washington Boulevard and eventually Mandela Highway. Okay, at this intersection, if we turn left, we go onto West Kings House Road. That will take us back to Upper Waterloo Road and Waterloo Road. And if we turn right, we go into the Ministry of Justice. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.